So, guys, we are still on our Fiverr series, and on today's episode, I'm going to be listing 5 gigs in which anyone can start with and make money on Fiverr without professional knowledge. Okay, so if you feel like you don't have any digital skills or anything like that, with these gigs I'm going to be listing, you're going to make cool cash on Fiverr. Okay, so if you haven't subscribed yet, ensure you hit the subscribe button, give this video a like and share to anyone you feel that needs this video. So on my list, the very first one and one of my favorite services on Fiverr is ebook cover design. So these here are ebook ebook cover designs that you can easily make on Canva. Okay, so I'm just going to click on 1 gig here. So this is the service. This person starts with $10. So the basic for this is $10. So this person basically kept the price at $10. So and she has about 5-star rating. He or she, whatever person, has about 5-star rating, and so you can see you can average time response is 1 hour, last delivery about 4 hours ago. So you can see this niche is a very good one on Fiverr, and this is like, it's really easy. Just go on Canva, search ebook cover design. You're going to be seeing a lot of designs, and you can just tweak it in the way you feel like is best for your clients. Okay, so this is the person's portfolio. So if you're going to be doing this, you're going to be like compiling a list of book covers and beautiful book covers, that is, and like listing them here on Fiverr as your portfolio. Okay, these are simple designs. Trust me, you can do it. These are very simple designs. So this is the first one on my list for simple gigs anyone can do on Fiverr. Just go to your Canva, type in book cover designs, and you're going to be seeing a lot of designs. So for the second one I'm going to be listing is the beta reading. So basically, beta reading involves providing the services of like reviewing a book. So if a writer comes on Fiverr and is looking for someone that's going to review his or her book, you're going to be providing that service. Okay, like you can read a book, or it could be a novel, it could be a simple story or anything. You're going to review the book and tell the clients what you think about the book. So let's see. So this person here has a basic plan of $40. See, you can make a lot of money with this. So for just a book, you can make $40. For her standard, she kept it at $85. For the premium, she kept it at $115. So for the premium, it has about 65,000 words. For the standard, the book has about 30,000 words, and for the basic, which is $40, the book has about 10,000 words. So this is how you can make money on Fiverr doing reviewing books for your clients. You're gonna read it, you're gonna review it. Basically a very simple way to make money. So if you're someone that loves reading and you can literally skim through the book fast, you can do this gig. Anyone can do it. As far as you have the basic knowledge of reading and writing, you can basically do this. So this is the second one on my list. So let's go on to the fourth one. For the fourth one, it's going to be app user testing. So I'm just going to type So basically, app user testing involves someone that just builds an app, and one of this person want to test the usability of this app. The person's gonna come on Fiverr here and gonna search for someone that's gonna help this person review the app, just like book review, but this is that it involves an app or a website. So you're gonna set up this gig saying that you will review the app. Then this person, you're gonna do that by the person is gonna give you the link, the client rather is gonna give you the link to the app or anything. You're gonna give you the link to the app, then you're going to record yourself and use the app. So this person, the client is gonna like see what you're doing, what the parts you're not going to in the app, the buttons that like interest you the most, and see how you can like improve on the app. So basically get the idea of the review, right? So I'm just going to click on an example here to show you. So basically, if you're going to be taking any of these gig, I want you to like study your um people that are also doing similar gigs or the same gigs on Fiverr. Study them, see how they write their descriptions, how they put their pricing and all that. Okay, so just have a very simple description here, and let's see, her basic price is at $45, standard price is $185, and premium price is at $250. So this is our okay. So basically anyone can do this. Just have a working phone or a laptop in which you can use in like reviewing websites and apps. Okay, so that's for the third one. Yeah, so for the fourth one is going to be transcribing. Transcription. So basically for transcription, it involves you writing out what you hear from a video and audio. Basically it mostly involves podcasts. So your client wants you to like type out everything you like, that everything they say on a podcast. So you're going to type it out and deliver to your client. So I'm just going to be showing us an example here. Okay, I think this. So the starting price of transcriptions are usually low because mainly people use AI to do transcriptions. So this person is starting at $5. Starting price at $5. Let's see. Um, okay, he didn't list it out as basic, standard, and premium, but the starting price is at $5. So because transcription does not require a lot of work, you can use basically AI to do this. You just have to like ensure that the AI does it very well. You can use AI to transcribe. There are tools out there for transcription. Okay, let's see if we can get another example here. So this person has a starting price of $10, and it has about five star reviews, about 54 reviews, 69 orders. So basically you can see that you can make money simply on Fiverr, and this is the person's portfolio here. So this is like an example of what transcription basically is. He listens to an audio, then writes it out. So basically this is just um or this is all what transcription is all about, and people are actually looking for these services on Fiverr. So the fourth and the last one I'm going to be talking about is virtual assistant. Okay. So I'm just going to type in here. So basically, if you're a very free person and would love to make cool cash on Fiverr, this is a very good one. Can usually provide online assistance for someone for an hour, 2 hours, or as much as you want. So I'm just gonna click on here. So this is the title. I will be happy to provide virtual assistance and administrative support. So her basic pricing for an hour is $15. Her standard is $60 for 4 hours. Then the premium is $120 for 12 hours. So virtual assistance just like involves you um it just involves you meeting up to your client's needs. I don't have to be physically present. You can do this online. Okay. So this person has 4.9, basically 5-star review. Okay, let's see another example. Mm. So virtual assistance just involves you like carrying out tasks for your clients, different tasks. Okay, so here this person listed out all he can do: upload content to CMS, convert videos for upload, graphic designs, app icon, basically things like that. Anything can fall under virtual assistant. So first you're just working online. Okay, this person starting on $5. So basically I just listed 5 easy gigs anyone without professional knowledge or skills can like start on Fiverr. So you can start with one, pick one and get started. So if you haven't watched my previous video on this series, on this Fiverr series, I show you this. So start from the very first one, which is how to create a Fiverr account and set up your profile. And the second one is how to set up your first gig on Fiverr. So this is just showing you the various simple Fiverr gigs you can start with, the options, very simple options you can start with on Fiverr. Okay, so this is the end of the video, and if you've not yet subscribed, please do subscribe to the channel, leave this video with a like, and I will see you in my next video.